Hey YouTube. So I know a lot of people have asked, how do you print these backdrops? And I never really got into that. I think I discussed it at the end of the backdrop video when I showed the process of how to create one, but I didn't show you how to actually print them visually. So this is the website I use, stickersbanners.com. I'll link that in the comments and also on the video. It's very easy to use. You do not need to have concerns about characters or anything like that. They pretty much print everything. Your main concern would just be the time frame for delivery because you want to make sure you give yourself enough time to receive it or your customer enough time to receive it for their event. And also you want to make sure you have great resolution. I went over that in the other videos, which I'll also link so that you can see how to make sure your backdrop has good resolution, and sticker banners will let you know. They'll need your approval before they print. So you'll come to stickersbanners.com, and I just go over here to custom step and repeat banner. This website is great. I mean, it's how people do selfie frames. It's how you could do a banner for football. You could do a backdrop, do step and repeats. You could do a table backdrop. So the cool thing is for this backdrop that I did, let's see, um, I'll show you, excuse me. For this backdrop here, this one is an 8 by 8. It's thinking the LOL one, and so you may have seen it on my page, but this is the LOL dolls. So what I did for this one, and most times, if you're getting like the full step and repeat, it's probably an 8 by 8. So the 8 by 8 is only $88. Like that's a very good price. And that includes shipping, so you don't have to worry about a shipping cost. Now you will need to worry about a shipping cost if you order it to your house and then you ship it to your customer. But if you know you did a great job with your backdrop, just deliver it straight to your customer. Don't even worry about that. You will put in your due date. So I usually have a due date of like pretty close. This is actually pretty far out. Like if I did this Monday, I would still get it Monday because they ship it overnight based on my location. FedEx is 1 day away. So as long as I get it approved by about 3 p.m., I believe, and it will tell you the cutoffs up here for your area in these little clocks. As long as I get mine approved by I'm shipping from New Jersey. So as long as I get my order in by 3 p.m., they'll ship it the same day. So I need to get it in and approved by 3 p.m. They'll ship it the same day, which means I most likely will get it tomorrow. Um, so let's go ahead and let's just go through how you would select your options. So 8 by 8, you can change the sizing here. When you change the size, you'll notice that the price changes. But let's just go ahead and stick with 8 by 8. Um, and if you don't have a backdrop stand, this is your time to get one. I have two of these. I get the 8 by 8 because that's the largest that I do. Your finishing options, you want to make sure to choose one. Pole pockets are what I get for top and bottom if I'm getting an 8 by 8. But suppose you're getting, like a 4 by 5 or something that you're putting behind a table and it's not going all the way to the ground. You can do top pockets only, and you can still use your backdrop stand. You just won't use the bottom pole because it won't extend all the way to the floor. You can get a red carpet if you like. And if you do get a backdrop stand, ensure that your customer either pays you to rent it or he paid you to set everything up because mine have come back damaged and you don't want those issues to have to replace them um, out of pocket. So, you just go to File Upload, choose your file that you created, and let's find it. I usually just upload the JPEG or the PDF that you created, and that's that. You can leave any comments here, like please ship from local warehouse. Some people do that, but the great thing is that people are going to ship from, excuse me, Stickers Banners is going to ship from the local warehouse near you. Like they're not going to ship your banner from California to Maryland. That's just not how they do. That's why they have various warehouses around the country so that they can accommodate everyone. So let's go ahead and add to cart. And if you missed anything, you will get a error message that tells you, hey, you forgot to add finishing options or, any other concerns, like you didn't upload your file. So awesome. This is checkout. And from here, what basically happens is you just review your order, confirm, great, due on the 10th, pull pockets, and really and truly that due date doesn't mean anything. It just kind of is like a window of time for stickers banners. They're still going to um, ship your order out within the time frame that you get it approved. So it's same day shipping no matter your due date. So I'm going to choose my state, and I'm in Maryland. For those people that did not know, I'm right outside of DC. And I go FedEx Ground. Now, if you're local, guys, you can do in-store pickup. Amazing. I'm not near any of these places, so I'm not going to do in-store pickup, but I do FedEx Ground, guys. You can always check the ground schedule, but honestly, if you give yourself 3 business days, I don't see why you're not going to get it in time for your event. Um, I have never paid for shipping, and I get them the next day. So I'm going to proceed to checkout. I've even had times where it said like it wasn't going to be here, in overnight. It was going to be here in the next like 2 days, and FedEx updated the delivery time. Fill out all your information, where you would like it shipped in case you're shipping it to a different customer, and to a customer's address and not your own. Again, choose FedEx, and go ahead and put up, it won't let me move forward, and then just pay for it. The awesome thing about this, guys, you can use PayPal, you can use um, your credit card, agree to the terms, and pay now. You'll get a confirmation email. And then from there, with your confirmation email, stickers banners usually will email you in like another 15 minutes to 60 minutes. So watch your email, because what they're going to do is they're going to email you and they're going to say, please confirm this is good resolution, or this is what you would like printed. They're going to send you like a screenshot of your order. You'll approve that email, and then they get to printing, guys. It's amazing. Like, it's so fast. I highly recommend stickers banners. If you ever have any concerns, they have excellent customer service. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Go ahead and watch, how to do your backdrop if you need to. And guys, make some money. I encourage you to do these step and repeats. Show people that you can do these birthday banners, table banners, because even for a treats table, you can have one of these, and you can, add your design fee and get a pretty good cut of change. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Stickersbanners.com. I look forward to hearing from you all. Let me know if you have any concerns again, and thank you so much for watching.